Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to type in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a blank template. Let's go with this square template. Now to type in Canva, just go to text and click on your interesting text style. I will go with this bigger one. Now to edit this text, just double click it like that and fill in your text here. And if you want to make this text bigger, you can use this, tap on these circles on the corner like that. You can also make this or resize this text another way using this minus and plus icons. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to type in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.